During the last lecture, we created this process of R&D problem solving. This is basically a value stream map where the values are coming up with a number of feasible solutions that can lead us to the final solution of a problem of an R&D problem that we are assigned. Uh, and we also uh, sorted out the steps of the process that are most critical, and we need to develop more skills or expertise or experiences so we can make the problem solving process more successful. And here just want to tweak this step, this one, number three, conducting research to find available solutions of similar problems. I would rather say when I get a problem, I would actually look for uh, similar problems, like conducting research to find out probably similar problems in similar or different industries. Yeah, I would rather rephrase it this way, because this becomes more understandable. That when we have the problem, we need to find out what are the similar problems. We need to ask ourselves what are the similar problems that are already has been solved in industry. So we should be first looking for the problems, not the solutions, and then because those are already solved, so we can see for the solutions along with, and then we can make a list. So today we're going to be more focusing on this step, how to conduct research to find similar problems that we're assigned. Um, so let's just copy this guy. And yeah. So we are basically going to be conducting research to find out similar problems in similar or different industries. So it's always better that we go with an example, so it becomes it becomes more demonstrative of the process. So, for example, say let's just make a copy of this example, right? And then I will also make another. So I will make a very practical example of an R&D problem solving process. To introduce about myself, I've been working in an in a company that makes pressure washers and um, different type of power equipments. And one of the major problem that we're facing, or I think this kind of industry faces, is the vibration. So the machine's durability, the machine's performance, power output, everything is influenced by the vibration. And we always want to find out a way of how what are the ways we can easily minimize those vibration so that the machine performs better and it's more durable. So, say this is the problem. The problem would be machine vib vibrates a lot. I'm gonna make it another color. Mm, this one. Machine vibrates a lot. Should I make it 13? Yeah. So machine vibrates a lot. I will make it center as well. That is what our problem is. Our machine vibrates a lot, and I have to find out a way of solving it. And now there are different ways. Like first thing, I need to know that machine vibrates a lot. So what does it actually mean? What does this problem actually like? What is actually the project? What I have to resolve? And here I will have a certain time, I will have a certain budget that I can allow to for solving this problem. So that's why I cannot invest infinite time or effort on this on solving this problem. I will actually have a target or goal. For example, say there is X level of vibration and I want to reach Y level of vibration, where uh, so for example, current level of vibration is X. I we want to reach Y. So definitely Y is less than X. All right. Uh, yeah. So that is what we want to do. And what is the value of X? It's definitely it comes from the test result, the existing test result, the machine performance and everything. Someone has been doing the testing and we know what is the value of X, but we don't know what is the value of Y. We have to kind of set it. And who sets this? It's more set by the management, or how they actually set it. It's more determined by what the customers want. So this product is getting sold to the customer, and they are providing feedback that this product vibrates a lot. So we want to have this in this status. So and then like we said, okay, so this is not working. So this is the level of vibration that the customer wants. So let's set it. It's gonna be Y. And then this kind of uh, there is kind of a, like a decision making process in between what would be the value of Y and what would be the time constraint and budget constraint. Uh, and so this is how it gets determined. At the same time, it's also sometimes it's not motivated by the customers, it also driven more by benchmarking. So benchmarking is the process where you see or you compare with the similar products in the market. So say you have a product that has certain level of vibration, and your product with the same cost or the same price level you're providing the customer, it's vibrate way more. So you want to reduce that vibration level to that extent so that it becomes similar or better than or like it has similar level of vibration or lower vibration than the existing product in the market of your competitor. So that's how it gets determined. And so I have a value X, I have a value of Y that I want to reach, and then I need to do the conduct research to find similar problems in different industries. What does it mean? It means first, say my product is a pressure washer, and let's also write it down. My product is a pressure washer, and I want to know how to reduce. So after step two, I want to know. So right now, the information is my pressure water has X level of vibration, and there is some reason it can be driven by the customer. It can be driven by the quality improvement or product development process, where the management or company itself wants to. Uh, improve the level of vibration and get our want to reach a target value of y. So in that case, I have all this information, but the thing is, this is not probably totally not. This is like most likely not very innovative project because it has already been resolved by the customer. If especially if it is driven by the by the competitors. So especially if it's driven by the customer, obviously they are providing this feedback because they have a benchmarking mindset where they have used other product and seen some products are better. Now the question is, what are those products and what they are actually doing to make those products better? So this is something that we want to explore. So really, it's important to understand the 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 reason why this project has been um, this project has been approved. So is it customer driven or it's our product uh, by our product development initiative. So most of the case, like big companies, giant companies who always want to keep themselves in the market, they would invest a lot in product development where they want to think ahead of the market. So there you don't have uh, you don't have the where you don't have the benchmarking reference where you can compare with what is the standard and what is the target value of y. So so problem identification step, if I just quickly go here, problem identification, I will delete all of this. Problem identification step, it really depends, like it really comes up with a lot of questions. First question uh, is this project uh, I kind of don't like this thing. Do we have a diamond sign? We do. Okay. Is this project an so yeah, so when a problem is identified that we have to resolve this problem, then we really have to ask this question as a problem solver or as an engineer or researcher, whether this project or this problem is innovative. It's if it's it can be either yes or no. So if it's let's write entirely innovative. Okay. And then yes. two cases where the problem is actually entirely innovative and the project is not entirely innovative. So when it's not entirely innovative, then look for how this problem is resolved by the competitors. Research. So, so this problem, when it's not innovative, that means, and also like some insights would be this is probably driven by customer satisfaction. See this one. So when we have this problem that the machine vibrates a lot for my product, pressure washer, then we have to really ask this question, is that problem entirely innovative? Because based on my answer yes or no, it's gonna be two different track we will be following. So if this is not entirely innovative, then we'll probably have to benchmark, right? Uh, or gauge how different it is with respect to the competitive with the competitive products of other companies in the same industry. So that thing, like, how do we know that this is not entirely innovative? One clue is it's provided, this feedback is provided by customer. They are not satisfied, and they're often the customers switch to a different product than yours when they find the other product better. So that means there is another product in the market that has better quality than yours. So you'll probably have to think that this is not an innovative product. It's just something that the industry you're behind, and like your competitors are well ahead. So you'll probably have to. So that would be their research, and uh, they are doing some sort of research to achieve that level of quality. But sometimes those are published, or you can actually see how those they have achieved that result. But you also know that that product vibrates the level y, where we determine that the target value is y. So we know that y. So how this is reached, we don't know, but we can definitely research. We can definitely research the competitive companies, and how how they are actually, like, what are the differences between our company and their company, that they're being able to reach to that level. So this is more a streamlined process. When this is a no, this is not an innovative process. You basically have to benchmark. So benchmarking. right? This is done, and then next step, what if this is an innovative project? Say you are working in a top-notch company, so in this industry you were industry leader, and you are initiating product development projects where you are coming up with something that in this industry or with this product no one has implemented. So right now you already have a good level of vibration, like decent level of vibration that is tolerable, and this is common with all the pressure washer. But you want to take it to the next level. For example, you want to use some different material, or you want to use, like, you want to come up with options that you can actually use to implement more noise and vibration control. So then it's actually a true innovative process, or true and innovative project. And then it will be a little bit more challenging. It will be a little bit more, not challenging, it's going to be more open-ended, because you'll need to first ask. You'll definitely need to have knowledge about the existing industry, like about other company products and the level of quality they're maintaining. But you need to go beyond that. You need to come up with something excellent. So you'll have to first do one thing: research similar problems, solving complex. When project is entirely innovative, an excellent way of approaching or uh, coming up with a potential solution, with, I think, a bunch of potential solution, is research similar problems solved in similar industries with complex product. Uh, this whole thing is sounds really complex, but it's really simple. For example, here there's one thing we really need to know, is what is meant by similar industries. So similar industries mean, same industry mean, say, there's two terms: same industry and similar industry. So same industry versus similar industry. Same industry, so say my company is making pressure washer. So that is any company that makes pressure washer or similar product, very similar in construction, that is gonna be the same industry, because we can quickly make those products as well. Say, what are the similar products, like the output of this pressure washer is creating high pressure fluid jet. That's the purpose of this, for washing purposes. But it can al- it the if you think this is more like generating a certain level of power output, which can be integrated to different system. So what are those systems? For example, the grass cutter, that can be one industry. These are kind of similar, but if you think about the construction of this machine, this is very similar, not very similar, but at least a very simplified version of automobiles. So I would say a similar industry would be automobiles. But automobiles are way more complex than pressure washers, way more complex. So research similar problems solved in similar industries with complex product. So our product is pressure washer. We are trying to we are trying to solve the problem of vibration, and the complex version or like complex product of this similar kind is car. And for a car or an automobile, there is also vibration. The question is how they're actually solving those. And if you see those, like it's really safe to go and gain more knowledge about that this industries motive industries for me, because the systems they integrate are really sophisticated, because this is more related to safety, and anything related to safety would have to maintain a certain level of quality. So vibration is really maintained to real low value. And so probably you would need to know, like the question is, uh, so research similar field, that means comes with what are the ways that, say, the automotive industries uh, isolating their vibration of the machine, or they're reducing vibration of their machines. So the basic constructions of automotive industry, you'd want to know that. uh, so how can you know that? You can Google, you can talk to your friends, you can have network, you can have industrial visit. These are different ways you can gain that level of knowledge and experiences. So so problem identifications, actually I overlap with the next step, which is conducting research to find similar problem. So when we identify a problem, we directly jump to the we directly jump to the step where the conduct research to find similar problems in similar or different industries. When similar we look for problems in similar industry when the product is not that innovative, and this is more like customer driven or based on customer feedback most of the cases. But when we're talking about like of a totally innovative kind of project, when the type of problem is more innovative, it's gonna be probably similar problem but in different industries, in with more complex product. Yeah. So this is this kind of explains how we can actually identify what kind of problem it is, and set the target value, and also at the same time what should be our approach for what should be our approach for conducting research for available technologies.